Hey there, home design enthusiasts and outdoor lovers! Welcome back to our channel, where we transform your spaces into places that spark joy and adventure. I'm so thrilled you're joining me today, whether you're a longtime viewer or just stopping by for some fresh inspiration. We're diving into something that'll take your backyard to the next level: how to build an awesome outdoor kitchen with DIY design ideas. Picture yourself grilling and chilling with friends under the open sky, all in a space you crafted yourself. So grab a refreshing drink, get comfy, and let's explore how to create your dream outdoor kitchen. Ready to get inspired? Let's jump right in. Start with a layout that makes your outdoor kitchen both functional and inviting. Imagine a sturdy concrete counter with a built-in grill as the centerpiece, surrounded by enough prep space for chopping and mixing. A simple L-shaped design works wonders, giving you room for a sink or a small fridge without needing a huge footprint. One DIY project I love used reclaimed wood pallets to frame a rustic island, paired with a stone veneer for durability and style. If space is tight, a compact linear setup against a wall can still pack a punch. Plan for a pergola or canopy to add shade and keep the vibe cozy. Want more backyard design tips? Hit that subscribe button and join our community today. Materials are key to making your outdoor kitchen look amazing and stand up to the elements. Picture weathered cedar or teak for cabinets, offering a natural look that ages beautifully. Stainless steel for appliances and hardware adds a sleek, modern touch while resisting rust. One clever DIY I saw used stacked cinder blocks for a budget-friendly counter base, topped with polished concrete for a chic finish. Add a tiled backsplash in earthy tones like slate or terracotta to tie it all together and protect the wall. Choose weather-resistant finishes to keep your kitchen low maintenance and ready for any season. Loving these practical ideas? Subscribe now to keep the inspiration flowing for your home. Finishing touches turn your outdoor kitchen into a space you'll love using. Think about string lights or solar-powered lanterns to create a warm glow for evening barbecues. A small herb garden in pots nearby adds fresh flavors and a pop of green. One stunning setup incorporated a built-in bench along the counter's edge, perfect for casual seating or extra prep space. Add a portable fire pit nearby for cozy nights, or install a retractable awning for flexible shade. These details make your kitchen a true extension of your home, perfect for gatherings or quiet dinners. Ready